NelsoncHamisa says President Emmerson Mnangagwa and the ruling ZANU-PF party are losing sleep over his return to the political arena to challenge their grip on power. Sanapenda mashoko kubuda panguva ino zvinokuva kunzi aiwa Chamisa fires warning shot at ZANU-PF during funeral speech. Ndauti ibva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda mara mubuda nyuka mchinzi. Speaking during the burial of Tichaona Mutandiri, 91, father of South Africa, best activist Munjozi Mutandiri, in Manyoni Village 7, Mondoro on Monday, Chamisa said, I am not shy to be labeled a politician because that's my work, and Mnangagwa knows that. We have given him a torrid time. He is having sleepless nights because of us. You might say, how is it possible with that small boy? It is possible and is happening because it is not the size of the dog that matters, but the fight in a dog. At one time, an elephant was troubled by an ant. Chamisa lamented the deplorable state of roads in many rural areas, describing it as a clear reflection of failed leadership. He said, you were saying Mondoro is near, but the journey was long due to bad roads, and that should urge us to pray for our country not to have leaders who prioritize the welfare of our people. We have leaders, but we don't see their good deeds. We must have leaders who prioritize better roads, schools, clinics, and all that is missing. Chamisa recently announced his returning to active politics after more than a year in political hibernation. He had stepped back in early 2024 following the takeover of Citizen Coalition for Change TSHABANGU party, which he helped establish and led from 2022 by ZVAITWA, who was supported by Parliament, the Executive, and the Judiciary. Chamisa launched the CCC in January 2022 after leaving the MDC alliance, which had been seized by Douglas Monzora following a controversial High Court ruling upheld by Supreme Court in 2020. Ndomashika nokuda panguva ino Chamisa achiti aiwa ine handitomboityi ZANU-PF. Pinai comment section medu mutidze mafunguro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.